My friends call me Ned. Welcome to Ned's Garage. So we have a different kind of a job today. My Ingersoll Rand Model 117 air hammer is not functioning. Here, have a listen. See? It does not hammer. I think there may be something wrong with the valve. Let's take it apart and have a look. Oh. Okay, so if you look closely, you can see the valve cap is broken. This here is the valve. These go bad also. They wear out and get thin. But anyway, in this case, it's the valve cap that failed. It's made out of plastic, so it would be possible to super glue it back together, but probably a bit difficult. So I'm going to see if I can find a replacement one online first. So I found the valve cap from a parts distributor online. It is Ingersoll Rand, part number 115-4. It was also very easy to find a parts diagram for this tool online. It was $5 with another $5 in shipping. Let's replace it and see what happens. Well, that's more like it. I can't wait to start using my air hammer again. This tool is very sentimental to me because my dad gave it to me. He's a retired mechanic and has been retired for quite a few years now. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please like and subscribe to Ned's Garage.